Hey guys, this is what you always do when when you sneeze. I totally need one second, I need to get up. Chew! It's gonna make you a little bit dizzy, but I'm upside down. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. And turn on notifications so you never miss another video. Goodbye.